Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at softwares that you can use to make money online, and because it's Black Friday / Cyber Monday, what we're going to be looking at is discounts and deals on all of these products. We can get 30% discounts, there's 50% discounts, and there's also lifetime deals on some of the products we're going to be looking at today. Now below in the description box or in the comments box, I will drop a link to this article below for you. Now I've spent a considerable amount of time going through this and looking at different products and softwares in the marketplace, trying to find where they're offering a genuine discount. Now everything is listed on this page here for you. We have got, if I scroll up here, I'll just show you this. So we've got softwares for making money online with Printables, we've got dropshipping software, we've got video software, automated Forex trading, AI software, and even softwares which are currently offering a lifetime subscription. But all of these deals end on Monday. Okay, so if you're watching this video, in a week from now, I'm sorry, but these deals will have gone. But if you're watching it, within a couple of hours or a couple of days of this video being on YouTube, then you're in luck. So what I'll do is, I'm not going to walk you through all of these because it would be a really long video and you'd probably get very bored. So instead I'll drop a link to this article below. You can go ahead and check this out and I'll share with you a couple of these. So the first one is this one over here. Now this is called Alidropship, and basically you can go ahead and partner up with Alidropship and they will create a complete online dropshipping business for you. Now this company, they've been around for a number of years. They've got lots of resources over on here. They've got a calculator on the homepage and other bits to see how much you can make. I mean, don't get too carried away with these numbers over here, but you can play around with this calculator. Now at this moment in time, if I come over to here, the Black Friday deal. So on here, it says they've got use code BLACK25 at checkout. However, when I was doing a bit more research, they've also got, if I just scroll down here on the blog article for you, they've actually got higher discounts as well. So if I scroll down the page here, and again, this walks you through, dropshipping, how it works and lots more. So they've got BLACK25. They've also got another one, which is, I think it's black, yeah, this one here, black 30, and even come further on the page here, is it this one, black, they've also got a 35% offer as well. So over on this website here, you can buy a ready-made dropshipping store. You can even buy, let me scroll down and show you this one down here. So they've got these packages here, but you can actually go ahead and buy, let me show you this one over here, where is it? Premium dropshipping stores. You can buy a dropshipping store which is already up and running. You can even choose the store that's best for you. So you can go ahead and pick any of these stores. So look, you can see how much it is here, then use the codes over on the blog to get that discount. But over on here, so for example, if you wanted a dropshipping store in this mum and baby essentials category, you could click on here. You can also have a look at this one here. This one, this is the one that my son's got. I've shared a video on this in the past. And you can see here, look, currently $22,000 per month in profit. This one here. But basically, you click on any one of them and it will tell you all of the information about this. You can also, you see where it says view the site. If you click on that, it opens up in a new tab and you can go and see this website that's actually up and running. So this is how it would look. This would be your own dropshipping store. And you scroll down here, we've got all of these items. And look, if you don't know how dropshipping works, so basically the owner of this website over here, they've got this site. If I wanted to go ahead and purchase any product on here, so let me just go into this one here as an example for you. I'll click on here. So if I was to buy this now, I would send the owner of this website $27. Then what they would do is they would go to their supplier, and let's say they pay $10. They pay $10 to the supplier. The supplier ships this item here over to me, and then they keep the profit or the difference between what they're selling the item for and what they're buying the product for. So dropshipping is a very simple business model. It's been around for a number of years, and partnering up with this company over here, you can literally, I mean, you see all these reviews and things on the page. This is all just imported for you. You don't have to mess around with any of this. When you buy one of these done for you websites, all you do is you literally decide on the items that you want in your store, and it's a few clicks and it's done. So this website over here is called Alidropship. As I've mentioned, all of the codes are over on the blog, so go ahead and check them out. They've got lots of resources on here. They've got success stories, and they've been featured in... Is it down here? No, let me just scroll up here. You can see, look, featured on Forbes, Business, Inc. and many more. They've got a huge social following and they've been around for a number of years. You can even buy over on this website here. So if we go to products, and you can see we've got custom stores, but you can actually buy established stores. So people who are, they've been running these stores for, a few months, a few years. And if you scroll down here, look, like this one here, the automerch.com, it's currently had $523,000 a month in sales. So you could go ahead and, if you've got that sort of money lying around, you can buy established stores. But if you wanted to, just start out at the beginning, you can go ahead and buy a custom store. You can get the plugin. There's premium dropshipping stores and lots more. So all of the details are over on the blog here for you. You can go ahead and check this out. The next thing I want to share with you is, this hands-free automated trading. I've shared this in the past a number of times. This is basically, you set all of this up, it runs on autopilot for you, and it's pretty straightforward and simple. This on the screen here, $270, is how much I earned last week, using the software. And in the blog article, if you just click on where it says automated forex trading, it opens up in a new tab over here for you. And it will take you back to when I first started with this. So this was over 18 months ago, and I walk you through everything about the whole software, what to expect, and I share literally day by day results of using the software. You can currently get this software for 50% discount, and it also comes with a training course. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward to use and set up. It's not difficult, but it's not risk-free. So that is over on the article as well. Some of the other standout things I want to share with you is this one over here. This is video software. This video software is called Wave.video. They're currently doing a 3-in-1 bundle for this. So you can use this software for creating YouTube videos. You can do it for social media videos. If you're working with local clients and businesses, you can create videos for them with this. But if I come over here, I want to show you this. So if I come over to their website, over on their website directly, they are doing their own Black Friday promotion. So if I scroll down here, you can see we've got a free account, a creator account, and a business account. And if you scroll further on the page here, look, normally it's $39 a month. However, for their Black Friday promo on the website directly, it's $24 a month. And over here it's $48. So we can see annually they would charge you $281. But I found this deal over here. Where's it gone? Yeah, this one over here. If I scroll down here, you can see how much it normally costs. But they're actually doing a lifetime deal on this, and they're doing it for $59. $59 a year, and you get access to everything. So, there's no monthly fees or anything, and it also comes with everything that they're, building and planning for the future. There's a video on this blog article over here. And if we scroll further down here, look, if you click this link here, it will take you over to this page over here where you can go ahead and get it. Look, starting at $59, this is the lifetime deal. So you're saving a massive, compared to paying for this monthly or paying annually, you're getting a huge saving on this. This is what it looks like inside of the software. There's video templates on here. There's lots of stuff inside of here, but the fact that you can go ahead and get this one over here, the creator plan for $59 for life, or $118 for the business plan, it's a huge saving. And as I've mentioned, if you actually go over to their website, you don't see any of this. It was only when I was doing a bit of research for this blog article that I came across it, so it's pretty good. The next one is this one here. It's called AI Content Writer. Now this is, as you can see, it's a lifetime access to this tool. Now in the past I've shared, videos about this piece of software here called Jarvis, which I use and I pay $119 a month for. And even at that price, I still think it's worth it because, I can create articles for niche blogs and websites. I use it for YouTube videos and lots more. We can also use this for, product reviews, affiliate campaigns, answering questions on Quora and lots more. But again, using this link over here, If I click on here, it takes me over to this page here, and look, lifetime deal, $69 for a lifetime deal. Now inside of that lifetime deal, same as the Wave video software that we've just looked at, this includes, look, all future plan updates, 60-day money back guarantee no matter what the reason, unlimited copy forever, access to all 40 writing tools, all future tools, and lots more. $69 for a lifetime deal is just incredible. And yes, I did go ahead and pick this up myself when I found this. So that is another software. If I scroll further on this blog article here, there's also a lifetime offer on 20 pieces of different softwares, and there's social media content, there's videos, and lots more. Just click this link here. It will take you over to all of them. The other thing I'm going to share with you really quickly is, scroll further up the page, is we've got all of these different softwares here, and these are in the printable market. And again, I've shared videos in the past about making printables online and selling them on Etsy. At this moment in time, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 products in here, and they're all, well, 5 of them are you can get for 30% discount. They're all simple to use, they're all easy, and they all literally, they can build you up a passive income over time. Now these softwares, I'll share one of them with you really quickly now. So if I come over here, I'll go to this one, because they all work in a very similar fashion. So let me log into here, and we'll quickly jump over here onto Etsy, so I can just show you this, etsy.com. This piece of software here, this is the Kids Math Printables. So if I come over here and I just type in math, what's that? Oh, let me just type this again. So math worksheets. Click on here, and we can scroll down and look, see this one here, 20 printable edition worksheets, selling for £1.35, so that's about $1.60, $1.70, and yet look how many they've sold. They've sold thousands of this one over here, and there's many more on here. In fact, I did a video, I think it was yesterday. I did a video yesterday walking you through all of these different softwares, because the printable market is huge. And as you can see on here, like this one here, this is about $5, 100 practice edition worksheets. Well, using this software over here, let me just show you this. I'll go to Printables, and I'm going to scroll down, and inside of here we have borders, templates, and lots more. So click on any one that you like the look of, or you can upload your own. So let me just go with, let's just go with this fairy wand. So we'll use this border here, and then look, type of math operation. Do I want addition, subtraction, etc.? So just pick any one that I want. So I'll go with this one, addition, because this one over here was 100 worksheets. Look, 100 practice sheets. So I'll come over here. Which numbers do I want to use? So I can use any of these numbers here. How many pages? Well, I'll sell 100 too. Select our font. We'll go with that one. Vertical or horizontal layout. So we'll go with vertical. Include answers, yes or no. Do I want to change the colour up here? But I'll just leave it on black. Do I want to use branding? But then once I've done all that, I click on continue. And now look, I've currently got 126 pages of math edition worksheets. How long did that take me? Less than a minute, didn't it? But if we go over here onto Etsy and look at like this one over here, or even this one here, or any of these that you found on here, this seller is selling them for this amount of money here. It's gone down there because they've currently got a Black Friday sale on. But look, it's a digital download. So the owner of this shop over here, who's had 329 sales, they do this work once, i.e. they upload one of these printables. If somebody buys them, they get an instant download, so they can go ahead and buy these, and the owner of the shop, they get the money. Etsy takes their small fee, and the end user, i.e. the buyer, they get instant access to this. But you can see on here, look, if we go, let me get rid of this. If we scroll down the page here, they've currently got 37 listings, all in this math worksheet here. And using this piece of software over here, that Kids Math Printables, you can see on here we can create these very, very quickly. Now this is only one of these products over here. There's one for puzzle books, there's ones for kids puzzle books, there's also activity books on here, and what's this one, Kids Math Printables, and the colouring book, and a few more. But look, that's today's video. I will drop a link to this blog article below for you. Go ahead and check it out, but I definitely recommend having a look at some of the lifetime deals on here and any of the other methods. But all of these softwares here, they're all proven to work. They've all been around for a number of years. Most of these I'm using, well, pretty much all of these except for this video software here, I am doing myself, but I did go ahead and purchase the lifetime deal on the video software and also the AI content writer as well. So yeah, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.